viewer, hello and welcome to Funny Fine TV. If you are new here, please consider to subscribe, like and share my video. Well, family, I want to welcome you to this special Krio class today. Inside this class today, we will continue for look we and the vowel them with a look. Now we be done look a, and today we dey look inside this class. You remember what I tell you say Krio get 7 vowel: a, e, I, o, u. Always remember your vowel sounding. So as you spell. Okay, now let me start. We dey look at the sound say we dey look at some word them where we can spell with okay, the first word na ebe. I don't know why I like ebe. Ebe, I don't think I know it's ebe. Don't say really, don't say. Ebe, well. Well. The woman wear fine clothes today. Well. Example. Spell. Second. Anyway, anything, anyone. Net. Net's not the kind of manuals. Now, so we Mama can say, when Mama can follow, we do some work there. Sometimes in the net on come, me Mama go say, net's not the kind of man also. View and share with me at the comment section if you know this expression. Net's not the kind of manuals, or if you don't use them, or your Mama be the use them. Me Mama we want to follow, we do some work. Net's not the kind of manuals. So let we work. Let we do the work. Tomorrow we go blow. Net don't come, I want sleep. Question. I got a question for you. I ask you. My question now, why you like yourself? Okay. Why you like yourself? That's my question, Annie. All right. The next word now, gather. Now for gather, the mango making out to away. Now for gather them. Gather, say gather. Dreb. No dreb the bobo. I don't do you nothing. I can play with you. No dreb. Dreb. Yeri. Ma. You call me? I don't call you. I really like you call me name. No. I not call you. Okay, ma. Thank you. So man no get one thank you. Thank you. Me viewer, I want to say thank you. Plenty, thank you for when you watch me video. For some way, so we know they jump the advertising. That now for let you help the channel for grow. And also thank you for when they share me video to other group them. I want to say thank you. I appreciate that. Thank you. Thank you. Now one word we I like all time. Thank you. Me a very appreciative person. Thank you. Chair. Hey, you no go believe wetin happen. Hey, you no go believe wetin happen. As we reach na PZ, na Miss Chair crap. I no even for go the party again though. Because no tell a man no be nyawi. Miss Cat Chair. Chair. I don't chair. Chair. Then I would have double letter word. Okay. Clever. The mommy they make like say clever. You know one giving me money. Why don't work down for them? Clever. Yes. You don't give any money. Yes. Funny fine. Yes. How the body? Oh, I did do well. Are you safe? I'm fine. Where them beginning? Then they. You hear from Ade? Yes. Who say they come? I don't know. Term. The term don't go. Term. Term no they wait for no man. Term. Term. Say term. Term. Almost o'clock you come. I come by 10. Yes, but the term be don't go. The term be don't go. Really where I come. Term. Say term. Ep. Ep. Boka ep mi bo di wok boku pa mi. Ep. 10. 10. Gian 10 cake. 10. Bet. Ah, why you bet si pikin? What they do you? Bet. You don't know say no good for bet somebody. Bet. Bet. The dog don't bet the pikin. Bet. Belle. Why belle big like ban? Belle can also be pregnancy. Somebody say it don't get belle. Or just your stomach. Belle. 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 Bell. Left me, not bell me. You left. I belly the bell me so. Or you can say ring the bell. 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 Balang, 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 balang. Time for gonna school. Wef. Me wear fine. Me wear fine. Me wear fine. Me wear fine, man. Me wear fine. Wef. Safe. Safe. Me safe na mota man. Safe. Me safe once day. Oh, not one no more. Me safe once day. Safe. Le. Let we go. 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 Le. When. When you come, I don't know safe. When. Them. No men them. Them fit to say where they win the game tomorrow and then go win it back. No men them. Them. Give them the key. Get. Get. And go get water. And not get money today. Get. Bread and butter. N. Say N. N. Bread and butter. Yawo and oko. Man and with. Leg. I like for watch your video. I hope you like for watch my video. Leg. Say leg. Leg. PZ. Are you gonna PZ today? Let me go take breeze here. PZ. Petrol. Some driver careless so he go wait till petrol done in motoka before he go buy petrol. Are you gonna petrol station? Petrol. Pepper. Pepper. I like plenty pepper na me soup. Yes, pepper. Put some pepper for me. It can be dry pepper, raw pepper, black pepper, white pepper, pepper. This word also can be like when somebody say no pepper me oh, that mean like no give me small oh, it give me small, it pepper me. No pepper me, no pepper the big one. Every day I go to come for you, yeah? Every day. Smell. I smell some kind of thing. Tell like saying they cook Indomie next door. It's like me neighbor they cook Indomie. Smell. Scent. Some perfume scents not good at all. Scent. Te. Mami Jao left in fried soup. Te. Mami Davis, he left in fried soup pot over the fire so that it go te. So that it go make fine te. Okay, viewer. All right, family. So now so we come to the end of this Krio class where we look the letter word A. Don't forget you vowel sound. Do you, if you not subscribe to this channel, now for consider for subscribe. What you do wait for? Subscribe to this channel and help me make the channel grow. Till we meet at the next video, I want to say bye bye, ta ta.